Hi everybody, it's Juliet from Under the Ears, and I am going to do really just a construction update of the NBA Experience. Looks like they're coming along. I really think that's going to be so pretty when it's done. So this is what it's going to look like, and here's where we are. And you know, it was really sad to see Disney Quest go because it was fun, but it hadn't really had as much love as so here is the NBA Experience from a different angle. Again, I think this is going to be some kind of an outdoor patio. I hope so anyway. It'd be really cool, especially on nights when House of Blues has the music. It may not be, and it may just be the design of the building itself, but that would be a shame. I hope there is something up there that allows people to experience Disney Springs. And you gotta love it. I'm just very curious. Got to find out what makes things tick. I've always liked working with my hands, Walt Disney.